welcome back to the channel. Another video on the Scooby. Finally got Ollie in a video.
Hi.
Today we are fitting a Varis WRC style wing to the Scooby.
It's very cold.
It's a very cold December morning, afternoon. So
cold.
Let's get this old one off this dirty boy.
Start with, we're just going to rip apart from the car.
Don't rip apart nicely. I know you've got two bolts either side on the right hand side. You have to get these panels off. I don't know how they come off. But once we get those off, you shall join us back.
My dainty fingers.
Because it's a very cold, it's very fucking cold and it's not very nice working with stiff plastic. But let's get this bit off and then continue.
As always, Barry bought the cheapest one he could find. And we are already modifying the fiberglass, cutting it out because the hole and the recess for the squirter isn't large enough. And we are literally at step one. We haven't even got the base mounted yet. Got the old one off. Haven't even got it on yet.
So the wing is fitted up. Fits up quite nicely, I'm not going to lie, I'm quite happy with the fitment. There's been a few people that have said the fitment on these are not the best and to just work with it.
Can you grab us another big one?
Oh, hold on. Well, I already fucked it up.
Don't fuck it,
the
cables are so weak, I crimped it and it just broke off.
So we've got the washer pump, new washer pipe on, we've tested it and it all works. Over here we're doing the wiring for the brake light. We've dry wired it, well I say dry wired it, we've rolled them together and twisted them together, tried the brake light and that works. All the new hardware in the spoiler and all the holes, so that's not going anywhere. After that it's putting the two side pieces on and then putting the middle blade in. So yeah, all coming along quite decent to be honest. Hopefully this should look pretty nice on afterwards, but one can only hope.
So the main frame base plate for it is on. The panels just bolt onto these three holes, but
I think we can stick it out.
The one annoying thing about this is, if you remember, I don't actually know if I documented it or not. When I fit the Mugen spoiler, it sat down on the glass. So yeah, look at the gap there. So when you lift it and shut it, it hits the glass and it makes a very annoying noise, especially when there's more weight on it as well. That's going to be hitting fairly hard, so we need to get some double-sided foam on that shit.
Put the wiring and underneath is
but the wiring is all in, secure, taped up, connected properly. The washer jet is a little bit bodgioed, but doesn't leak or anything, so it'll do the job. The one on my car's not even connected. The rear one. If I squirt at the rear, it'll just come out in the back of the car. So yeah, we're just going to get the side panels in, get the main blade in, and then we're going to have to find some foam. I've got a shit ton of foam from when I've done the Civic, so I know I have some. But yeah, no, it's going together fairly smoothly. You can't see the old Modify Weekly no more though, because it's all the way under there. It's quite subtle. No, you'd never see it. But yeah, no, we'll give you an update in a minute, but let's get these side cheeks in.
We've got the whole entire wing on, side pieces in. I want to try and get like some little plastic covers for that because I don't really like the exposed metal. Underneath we've got it in, as we kind of trying to say, there is a tiny bit of a gap underneath here. Well, I'm being a bit of a pussy, I don't want to wind back the whole entire bolt back, but we've only gone minimal aero because I don't want to go stupid, so we want the second bolt up. You can go another bolt up and it sits up like more, but that looks sick. I'm proper happy with that. I'm done. Oh, done. Yeah. But yeah, Varis wing, it's not too bad. I've gone for a black centre blade, colour match side bits, colour match top bit. When you come back here, you can't really see the wing that much, but it's a lot better. You can just see Ollie over there. But yeah, I'm proper happy with that. Completes it. So we're going to give it a quick bit of a wash because the old girl's dirty. Yeah, finish off this video after it's cleaned up a bit. Subaru is all cleaned up. Ollie's putting away all these tools now. Gave it a nice clean. And this is what it's looking like. Yeah boy. Proper happy with that. That looks, it's coming along quite nicely now.
Oh, why do we have two spare bolts?
It's the best view. Yeah boy. That's a sick view, I love that.
Well, I'm glad you're happy with it.
I am proper happy with it. It looks mean from the back now. It's actually starting to come along to what I wanted it to kind of look like when I first bought it. Big wing, big wide wheels, 18s, mud flaps.
Well, wait, can you just repeat yourself?
Big wheels.
White
Shut up.
Wheels. What tyres are on it?
225s. Alright, it's not a 350. Allow it. But yeah, that looks proper nice now. Happy. It's the wing on the Subaru done, sitting back there all biggy big. Biggest thing at the moment now. But yeah, Subaru wing done. Wheels coming soon. Brake calipers going yellow, so that should look nice. But yeah, main thing I've got to sort out is this crack I've now received on the windscreen from it getting really cold. But yeah, the wing is done. Another part of the puzzle complete. Again, if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.